Hey folks, today I'm going to be reviewing the Black & Decker 20 volt max string trimmer, and here you can see at the bottom this is the Black & Decker unit, and for comparison I do have a Ryobi gas powered model. Both of these are available at the local big box hardware stores, and really want to focus on the battery operated unit because I did have the gas powered unit. It is maybe a little bit overkill for the yard that I have, but it does work great when it works, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in a minute. But I got the battery operated trimmer because I just wanted something that I didn't have to fuss with the gas and just, you know, get a battery and pop the battery in and do what I got to do. So a couple of things. First things first, I'm going to talk about the battery and the accessories. Okay, so here we have the battery and the spare string reels, I guess I'll call them. I did buy these extra because I wanted to have additional ones around when I need them. It did come with a charger and a single battery. You can see that this battery is the Black & Decker 20 volt lithium, 2 amp hours, and this one is a clone basically. I think I got this off of eBay or Amazon as just a spare battery. It does function. I rotate them when I use them. You know, I'll use this one, the knockoff, one time, and then I'll use the Black & Decker the next time, and you know, charge them up after each use. I have had to replace the string reel one time since I've had it, and I've had it for about a year already. And then the extras, it did come with an additional spool, and I think this one may be the replacement. I'm not sure if this is a Black & Decker or not. I just bought spares, basically, is what I'm telling you. I always buy extra string, and for that Ryobi unit, you know, I buy extra trimmer line. So that being said, you know, the battery does go into this thing fairly easy, and I'm trying to do it with one hand here, so just bear with me for a second. All right, so it just basically slides in there like that. There is a very positive locking feature on the battery. It's a button, and bring it over here, and that battery stays in there nicely. But you can see you press the button, and there is a spring that allows it to pop out. Here you can see that the line goes in there, and it is held in from the sides from that button that you see right there, and it's pretty easy to release that. One thing that I've noticed on this particular reel is sometimes I have to pull the trimmer line out in order to get it to advance, but it does advance automatically, so that's pretty nice. You know, you don't have to manually advance the trimmer line. Okay, so I'll kind of show you what's going on out in my yard here and where I use this thing. Okay, I've got a relatively small patch of grass here. I'd say it's roughly 30, maybe 40 by 50 or 60, and I'm just basically using this trimmer for edging, you know, weeds and so forth. So I'm just going to give a very quick demo because I did go out here and trim and cut the grass this morning, so I don't have a lot to trim, but I just want to show you how this thing operates and you know, the noise level and so forth. Okay, here we go. I'm just going to give you a quick demo edging down the edge of the sidewalk here. So here we go. Okay, there is a safety button on the trigger or the handle that you do have to press when you're activating, or it will not activate. So that is a safety feature. Pretty easy to press. Okay, so that's basically it for the demo.